So you guys are looking at some high-performance garage doors, which are a lot different than regular rolling doors. There are a lot of differences, and then I can define them for you guys and kind of tell you guys when you should recommend one to a customer. So first, we're going to talk about speed. So high-performance doors typically open at least 20 inches per second. Unlike regular rolling doors, standard rolling doors open maybe about 8 inches per second, which is pretty slow compared to regular rolling doors. And then there's activation options, so there are actually a lot of different ways that a high-performance door can open. So there's some sensors, there's some pneumatic sensing edges, and just a lot of different ways. These ones I think use sensors because I don't see. The exit door over there uses a sensing edge, pretty sure. But I think these other ones just use sensors. See, this one's going to open. Watch that. Watch this. So you guys saw how fast that opens. And check out how it closes. It's going to be pretty quick on the closing also. So there you go. So then there's cycles. High-performance doors can usually run a lot of cycles per day. And they're just built to withstand more cycles, and they're a lot more durable than normal rolling doors. And then there's durability. So it's more of a myth saying that springs equals cycle life. And that's actually is true. Because if you have springs on a door, that just means the springs can handle a certain number of cycles, and putting 100,000 cycle springs on a regular rolling door doesn't make it high performance. It's just a high cycle door. So one of the key factors of a high performance door is just having a springless design, and then there's also durability. I just talked about durability and cycles and stuff. And then there's safety. So a lot of doors come with safety sensors. So you see that there's some little red lights. There's some red lights down there those are I think the sensors. But then there's more, they're called light curtains, which I don't know if they have them there, but I think these might be light curtains. But light curtains are also good they keep safer because they're used more often, and they also close kind of fast, and safety sensors just might not be enough. So there's actually something that can help you determine when to recommend a high-performance door to someone, and that's defined by something called Perform. I found this in a magazine. So the first P stands for productivity. So that question is passage through a secure opening a key success factor in the customer's productivity? So if a door breaks, the parts need to be ordered, and then they need to make them, ship them, and then someone has to come out and install them. And then the door could be out of operation for a long time, and then they'll have to go to more different doors, and then those ones could break down. So, E is for environment. So does the customer need to control the environment, the temperature of the environment near the door? So if you live in really hot or cold climates, a fast opening and closing door can help maintain the inside temperature, and if the weather is really extreme, there are insulated ones that you can buy, and those will help even warmer, and it also seals a bit better. Then the R is for reliability. So if the door can't operate, will the customer lose money? So if they will, then they need to consider getting a high-performance garage door, because those doors, they rarely break down, and yeah. So then there's frequency. Will the door open at least 100 plus cycles a day? So consider having 100 cycles in 1 hour versus spread out over 24 hours. Regular rolling doors just can't handle 100 cycles in 1 hour. And so high-performance doors can usually handle a lot more cycles. So O is for operating speed. Does the door need to open as fast as possible? That could be for like emergency exits. Doors could open fast. That'd be a good idea. And then there's routine traffic. Is the door's traffic vital to business operations? So there's some times when the door is optional, and if it is, you don't really need a high performance door. You can just get a sectional door or a rolling door, but a high performance door just might not be worth it. And then the M is for maintenance. Do you want to avoid ongoing maintenance expenses? Because the initial cost of a regular rolling door is less than a high performance door, but then the owning it, regular rolling doors need a lot more maintenance and you need to pay for that, and then high performance doors hardly need any. So that's just what makes high performance doors better. But I hope this video helps a lot of you out there wondering what a high performance door is and when to recommend one. So thank you guys for watching. Get back and subscribe to my channel. Bye.